Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ESES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. But from where it was to where the price ultimately closed, I think any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a good day. But that does lead to the valid question: is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that is down here at $1.40. What is that? $1.43. Why is $1.43 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.43. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say this happens, I'm not saying it will, but let's say a pretty drastic pullback occurs. The price comes down here and then does something like this before heading back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have the previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time goes by. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $1.43. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance right now, and I'll explain that in a second. But that key level of resistance right up there at $1.73. You can see a couple different instances. The bulls did try to push up through there, but in both cases, the bulls just couldn't quite do it, and the price got rejected. Reason I'm just focusing on one level is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance. Not really a huge priority right now for the price. Top priority for the bulls is just building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.